Y'all see that? So very simple. And again, it's glueless. Slide my nail right through it so you guys can see. So you see guys how it lays down very seamless now, like how's it going? So we are back today with another talk through hair tutorial, hair video. So today's video is actually sponsored by Nadula Hair Company. So this is a bag that they sent me with the product, which I thought was super cute. So this wig today, guys, is a really nice wig. It is a bob style. I know you guys have been asking for bobs. Can you review a bob? Are you gonna show another bob? So Nadula Hair Company decided to send me this really cute bob right here, guys. This is their ready to go wig. So like I said, today's gonna be a same day install. It is a pre-cut lace. Everything is done with this unit, so it's considered a complete unit. It does come with an adjustable strap on the inside, and it is a bob style. And as you guys can see, the texture on this unit is a kinky straight texture, which is actually really pretty, guys. As you guys can tell, the texture is very, very nice on this unit. A nice kind of light Yaki texture, I would say, like a light Yaki texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it ever so lightly on camera with you guys. But with this wig, it's very simple. You guys can see it's already pre-cut. It has a good amount of closure space on here, guys, so you could do like a side part, curved part, whatever you want. But I'm gonna keep this one in a middle part style just to do like a real nice clean look. I feel like bobs are always nice all season long, and I feel like when you're entering the fall season, you gotta have like a bob for that season. So I'm happy I got sent this one. I'm happy that the texture is actually very mimicking of my natural textured hair. So let me go ahead and pop this unit off and pop this unit on, and we'll move on. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and adjust the straps on this bad boy right here. And as you guys can see, it is a really, really nice lace. And once you adjust the strap on this, it actually lays very, very flat, which I really like. So I'm already working with quality. So the main thing we're gonna do today is basically try to flatten the top down, make it as flat as possible. We're just gonna take like a couple of strokes of a hot comb, and then we're going to go ahead and straighten this out. Now I'm you know, I like a little dip like this. Like I'm not gonna say I don't. So I do like a little dip like this, but I also do like mine to be kind of blunt on all one length. So we're gonna go ahead and rock it like this. Take a couple photos, and then we're gonna go ahead and customize it and make it like this, just because I feel like that will look better. But let me straighten it first and then see what it's giving. But we're not gonna do this unit on a high straightening temperature. We're not gonna lose the texture, but I don't wanna dim down the texture too much. I wanna still keep that texture in. Looks very, very cute. Look at that hairline, guys. The hairline is giving fabulousness right here. Like, look at that hairline. So obviously you have like, most of the time you'll have like a little bit of extra lace, but I'm just gonna trim some of that off on these little corners right here, as you guys can tell. But you guys can see the lace looks impeccable. Add a little powder towards it so it can kind of blend with my original powder. And yeah, then we can go ahead and bust this down in the middle part and get it together. Let's go over a couple of these little extra pieces of lace that I'm not gonna really need. Cut a little bit of this off right here, a little off right here, just because I like the effect that they do. They kind of make it on like a curve, whatever, but there'd be like a little bit of lace left over, so I just go ahead and snip some of that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix some of my bronzing powder along with my regular like powder, and I'm just gonna go around the perimeter with this just to make sure that it, you know, it looks kind of seamlessy or whatever. So you just kind of pounce the powder into it just so that it can kind of go with whatever foundation you already have or whatever it is. There you can see. And you just do that around the corner. You don't need to go ahead and glue this down and put tinting on it. You don't have to do that. With these types of wigs, just dust some powder on it, you're pretty much good to go. So you guys can see already, it's giving Scapiana with light effort. Y'all see that? So very simple. And again, it's glueless. Slide my nail right through it so you guys can see. So you see, guys, how it lays down very seamless now? Like, come on, that looks really, really good. I'm not gonna do any of that baby hair magic. We ain't doing all that. So with this one, I feel like you could do a couple styles with this one. Like you can do like that kind of like clean pullback look if you want to, but obviously you get like a little bit of lace on this side. But I'm gonna go ahead and see what middle part is giving on this one. My main objective, like I said to you guys, is to go ahead and Oh wow, you can slide your nails right through there. I always make sure that the middle part. I always have this dilemma when I'm filming. I can see you guys, but that's not middle. So let's go ahead and slide our nail right here. And it's easy to do with this hair. This hair is like butter, baby. So I don't know if that's right, but we're gonna go with it. Ooh, I was worried about losing some of the texture. Ooh, the hair is beautiful. Oh my God. Like, do you guys see that? I was worried about having like a hump head back here, but the hair, girl, it's cute. Okay, let's just make sure it's like really flat. I mean, realistically, I really don't want the hair to be too flat on my head because I feel like that shit looks wild too. So you kind of get it at a good angle, get it as flat. Oh, guys, this is gorgeous. I don't even think I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, like without cutting it. It looks just too freaking cute. Like, what? I might cut it eventually, but for now, absolutely not. So you're just gonna use a hot comb, guys, just to get it as flat as possible. And like, look at that hairline. You can't tell me this is not my hair, period. Like, do you guys see that hairline, baby? So like I said to you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this because I do like the length. I'm gonna show it to you guys in this length. And then I might actually go ahead and customize it, but depending on how it's looking, I think I'm pretty much gonna leave it like this. So I think it's actually really, really cute, guys. Oh my God, look at that hair. Look how it's nice and pretty once you straighten it. We're not losing any texture whatsoever with this unit, guys. Like, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, so it's definitely giving. I think I really like it like this in the front too, being this length. I feel like the length is nice. Even like a blunt cut with this one would be pretty too. So I might just actually go blunt, like straighten it like bone straight instead of making it like bumped at the ends. I also feel like that style definitely gives like killer vibe as well too. Like, look at that. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and straighten this straight and not like bumped at the ends. In the back, I usually just, you know, let it do its thing in the back. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure that's straight in the back as well too, because it just makes the hair look like more lightweight when you don't bump it at the ends. If you catch my drift, you know what I mean. So yeah, so I feel like with this style, I feel like this is more of like clean, sophisticated style for my girls out there. I know a lot of you guys wouldn't do like multiple other styles with this unit, but if you want to go ahead and do like something simple and cute, like, you know, doing a braid or two going up like this, that would be actually really cute. The surface of this unit is very flat, so you're able to do like those really crispy, clean styles. So that's one thing you can appreciate about this wig. But I think that the wig looks better just like this, simple, a lot of bounce, and yeah, look at that, guys. Like, look at that. So the last thing I would do with this unit, guys, is just go ahead and clean this part up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my comb down right in the middle part section and just spray a little bit of this, you know, root spray on here. And then we have a nice clean middle part. That is literally it, guys. Like, literally it. So you guys can see the part looks very crisp. All right, guys, so that basically wraps up today's hair video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's simple talk through bob install. As you guys can tell, per usual, it is a glueless wig, so no glue needed for this unit. The bob is very pretty, guys. Like I said, I'm usually someone that likes it very bowl cut like that, but I feel like with this one, I'm gonna keep it and then, you know, just move my way up. You guys know I love a bob all season long, so this one is definitely giving the vibes. It is a nice, light, relaxed texture, guys, so you guys are gonna get this looking very, very realistic, very close to African American textured hair, guys, or African descent textured hair. Let's correct that. African descent textured hair. Very pretty, guys. Love it. It has a great bounce to it, even though it is textured. Love it so much, guys. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, and I think that they did a good job on the cut. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. So this unit is super affordable, guys. It's ready to install, same day install if you got somewhere to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye. Nadula.